Hello everyone, and welcome back to Smart Study Blog. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common task for many businesses registered under GST, filing a GSTR-1 Nil Return. Now, what exactly is a Nil GSTR-1 return? You need to file this when you haven't made any outward supplies, meaning, no sales of goods or services, during a particular tax period, but you still need to fulfill your compliance requirements. It sounds simple, and thankfully, it is quite straightforward. Before we dive into the steps, if you find tutorials on GST and finance helpful, please take a moment right now to subscribe to Smart Study Blog and hit that like button below this video. It really helps us create more content like this for you. Alright, let's walk through the process step by step on the official GST portal. First things first. Open your preferred web browser, like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Go to Google and search for GST Login. Click on the official GST portal link, which is usually services.gst.gov.in. Once the GST portal homepage loads, you'll see the login section. Here, carefully type in your GST username and password. Then, enter the CAPTCHA code exactly as shown in the image. After filling in the details, click the Login button. Okay, now you're logged into your GST dashboard. You might see your pending returns right here, like for the month you need to file. To proceed, we need to scroll down, and then click on Returns Dashboard. On the File Returns page, you need to select the period for which you are filing the nil return. First, select the correct financial year from the drop-down menu, and then select the quarter. Next, select the return filing period. This is the specific month for which you're filing. Once you've selected the financial year, quarter, and the month, click the Search button. Now you'll see tiles for various GST returns. We are interested in GSTR-1. Look for the tile labeled Details of Outward Supplies of Goods or Services GSTR-1. Under this GSTR-1 tile, click on the button that says Prepare Online. This takes you to the GSTR-1 preparation page. Now, since we are filing a nil return, we don't have any invoice details to add in sections like B2B, B2C, exports, etc. All these tables should ideally show zero values. Scroll down this page. Because you have no data in any of the tables, the system recognizes this could be a nil return. You might see a specific checkbox asking if you want to file a nil GSTR-1 directly. If you see that option, select it. Then scroll down and select File Statement. The system needs a minute to process this. You will see a declaration checkbox. You need to tick the acknowledgement checkbox to confirm that the details provided are correct and you accept the declaration. Select the authorized signatory person from the drop-down list. Now you need to verify your return. You'll see options for filing with DSC, Digital Signature Certificate, or EVC, Electronic Verification Code. The most common method is using EVC. Select File with EVC. An OTP, or one-time password, will be sent to both your registered mobile number and your registered email ID linked to your GST account. Check your phone or email for the OTP. Enter the received one-time password in the box provided. After entering the OTP, click the Verify button. And that's it. You should now see a success message on the screen confirming that your GSTR-1 return has been filed successfully. If this process worked smoothly for you following these steps, please give the video a like right now. It lets me know the tutorial was helpful. The system will also generate an ARN, Acknowledgement Reference Number. This is important. Please note down this ARN or save a screenshot or download the acknowledgement for your future reference. It's proof that you have filed your return. So, as you can see, filing a GSTR-1 nil return is a quick and easy process through the GST portal. I hope this step-by-step guide was clear and helpful for you. If it was, and you haven't already, please give this video a final thumbs up. If you have any questions or faced any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to help. And most importantly, if you want more useful tutorials and information related to GST, finance, and studies, make sure you click that subscribe button for Smart Study blog and turn on notifications, so you don't miss future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Stay compliant, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video. All the best.